In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Whirlpool washing machine. So why would you need to do this? Well, this can solve many issues, including if it doesn't work at all, or maybe it stopped right in the middle of a cycle. If the lights on the control panel are not working, or even if the buttons stop responding, well, what I will show you next will help you for sure. So how to do the reset? Very easy. You just have to unplug your Whirlpool washing machine from the wall socket, then wait 5 minutes, don't touch anything, and then plug it back in the wall socket. If your machine is not directly connected to a wall socket, but to a circuit breaker, well, you have to turn off the circuit breaker of the washing machine, wait 5 minutes, and then turn it back on. And this should solve your problem and the reset will be done. There are some models, some Whirlpool models that have a knob, and the knob while the machine is turned off and disconnected from the wall socket. So what you need to do is to turn this knob and put it in the off position. If on the screen of your Whirlpool washing machine you have a small padlock or maybe a key in red, it means that the buttons are locked and you'll need to unlock it before performing the reset. If not, it won't work. So depending on your model, you need to press a different button to simply remove that lock. If you have other ways on how to reset your Whirlpool washing machine, please type the trick in the comment section down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to find it. And if what I just showed you worked, well, just please subscribe, like, and share this video. This is helping my channel, and I really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.